Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you that rather than replacing all this paint tile, ceramic tile walls and sinks and countertop and tub, and rather than tearing it all out and replacing it all, we can simply resurface it. Save literally thousands of dollars. We can be in and out in a day. It can be beautiful and waterproof. Remember, once these lines are sealed with this incredible paint that we're going to use, those grout lines are sealed too. So you don't have to worry about, grout failures in the future or anything like that. And nothing is going in a landfill anywhere. I mean, it's the way, if you want to save a lot of money, a lot of time, not end up with a house full of dust, this is what you do. We're going to leave the floor because the floor is actually probably going to go pretty good with these colors. We're simply going to do pure white on all these walls. So it's going to be kind of blah, but that's okay because the drywall can be, painted a good color to match. We are going to put a Summit Gray on these countertops and then pure white sinks. So that should break up pretty nicely. This bathroom's done. We did not do the floor because it's a nice looking floor and there's no reason to be doing it. We did do the vanity top. We did do the sinks. We did do the ceramic tile walls, which were pink all the way around the bathroom. We did that in pure white gloss. We also did the bathtub in pure white gloss. So the bathtub, the ceramic tile walls, and both sinks are pure white gloss. The vanity top is a cross between Summit Gray, Rocky Road, and on top of pure white primer. You do not have to replace all this stuff, folks. You can if you want to, and I can steer you in the right direction for a great tile person. But if you want to save a bunch of money and a bunch of time and end up with grout lines that are sealed with the strongest paint there is, and I hate to call it paint, but you call me and I'll take care of you. Same thing in this bathroom, but all we did in here was the floor. There was nothing wrong with the floor, it was just ugly. And now it's got an anti-skid feature, and the grout lines are sealed. You don't have to worry about it anymore. How cool is that? So, if you want to get your bathrooms renovated and you don't want to spend 20,000 bucks and get it done in 2 or 3 days, you just call Rock the Top and we'll take care of it. Right, Alan? See? Even Alan says so.